Hi, can I get a caramel frappuccino?
Okay, what size would you like?
A grande, please. And what do you want?
A grande iced cinnamon cloud macchiato.
A grande iced cloud
Cinnamon cloud
cinnamon
macchiato.
macchiato.
You said I'm sorry, I was a little bit confused about that last drink. Can you say it for me one more time?
A grande iced
Yeah,
cinnamon.
grande iced
cinnamon cloud macchiato.
Cloud macchiato.
So I always get the grande iced cinnamon cloud macchiato, and I love it. It's my favorite.
Nothing. Bye bye. No. Nothing.
Woohoo! Starbucks.
Mia. Da.
Da. Open Bossy's M&M's for him.
What's up, everyone? That was lame. Alright, guys, what's up? We are doing something fun today. Today, we are yard sailing. Alright, guys, what's up? We out here.
Hey guys,
We out here yard sailing.
yard sales, we out here.
Too funny.
We're trying to
Ooh, look
find
at
yard sales. Yard sale hunt.
Yes, we're on the hunt for some yard sales today.
For some sales in people's yards.
Woo!
Garage sale this way.
Woo! Garage sale.
Or garages.
Yes.
We'll take whatever sales you got.
Rummages. Oh, I know.
We're not going through people's trash cans, Maisie.
We're not going.
Oh my goodness. Sometimes I feel like that's what we're doing.
What?
Anyway.
Oh, all their junk.
Yes.
It's not called
One
junk,
man's
it's called
junk is
sale.
another man's treasure. Right? Is that what?
Trash.
Is that the saying? Oh.
And we're not
Same
going
thing.
through people's trash.
Yeah.
This is a really nice
So-
neighborhood though in Seminole.
Yup.
Hottie flaming
Ooh,
hot.
house for sale. 5 bedrooms, 3
Hottie flaming hot.
Jeez.
That's
Ow.
that one. Yep. Uh-oh, we have garage sale.
Woo!
To
Looks like
go
one's on
to.
the other
This is delicious. Double shrimp. Sawina. Good stuff. You should get this at Starbucks.
You like that sandwich?
Yep.
What was it? It was a
Egg.
turkey, bacon, and egg sandwich.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm glad you liked it. Bossy, what you doing? You eating some M&Ms? And drinking some milk?
And Mom's back from the yard sale.
I found some stuff.
I'm sure you did. had our first date.
Yep. We had our first date and we took our very, very first picture together right there.
Peach.
Where Adam and I met. Reddington Beach, Texas. So now we are at John's Pass. I don't know if we're gonna get out because it looks really busy. Alright guys, so we found a park on the beach.
A beach. Nothing.
The beach is right behind here. When I was a little kid, I used to come to the same little park and play at the beach. And so did Maisie. And now our kids are doing the same thing. What do you got, baby?
Boss.
Is that little Mickey?
Boss.
Madden. Yay. Madden's about to go in the swing for the first time. Maddie! Madden! Woohoo! Bossy, you're alright, man. Careful.
It's okay. And then hang on. Look, hang on. It's okay, bud. Look,
Hey.
hang on. Scoot back. Scoot your butt back.
Is that fun?
Woo! Scoot your butt back.
Maddie,
Oh, okay. Okay.
let him go. He's alright. Maddie, look. Dennis.
Boston.
He's okay.
I know. I just didn't want him to try and like scoot around them.
Careful.
Sorry. He's on the opposite side. Bossy, thank you.
Bossy, come on, man.
Buffy, you can't sit on the baby swing. Oh, no hands.
Oh, Bossy. Got it? Good job, boss. You love it. Yay! Maddie, yay! Yeah, boss? Cool, boss.
Where's Mila? Mila?
It's right there. It's fine. You got your juice?
Say cheese.
Say cheese. You got your M&Ms and your juice? Wave hi.
Say cheese.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
Are you dying?
I love you too, bub.
Now we're doing. Now we're doing. Say cheese.
Say cheese.
In that water.
Oh.
Hey. Hey, baby.
No regrets. Like no
Hashtag snow regrets. No regrets. Snow regrets.
I just see manatee back here. Hey, you guys, light up.
Candy Kitchen.
Cool.
$2 Saturday tacos. And we're here. I'm here for the tacos.
Taco Saturday.
So when you come to Indian Rocks Beach, and we're fortunate enough to live right by it, when you come to Indian Rocks Beach and you want some good Mexican food, some good tacos, Jake's Cantina is the spot. And it just so happens to be Saturday. Yep, 2 beef, 2 chicken.
Pero es que primero
I just got 4 tacos and chips and salsa with queso for $10.70. You cannot beat that. We came on the right day, Saturday, $2 tacos, Jake's Cantina. You gotta try it out. Just wanted to show you guys real quick what we got from Jake's Cantina. It was $2, Saturday $2 tacos. So we got 2 beef, 2 chicken. We got a side of queso and some really hot sauce. They call it the devil sauce. And some chips. In the words of Tom from Tom and Sophie, let's eat. And after the tacos, Girl Scout cookies. So guys, I've been watching XFL, obviously. I'm a football fan. We're New England fans, so there's not a New England XFL team. So we have been rooting for the home team. Where we're at closest by would be Tampa Bay. So Tampa Bay Vipers it is. They didn't have a good first game, but hopefully they can turn that around here. But who do you root for in the XFL? Do you watch the XFL? Do you like the new rules?
There's no question about it.
Just wondering.
I'm standing right behind that last defensive call. BTF.
Go Tampa Vipers. I just wanted to film Maisie's reaction when she bites into this taco. Go for it, babe. Oh yeah. Jake's Cantina is the best.
The best.
Alright guys, we'll be signing out. Thank you for watching. We had a fun day with the kiddos. We went to the park. We went to the nature walk. We did Jake's Cantina. It was $2 tacos Saturdays. I would definitely encourage everybody to try out Jake's. It's a very, very great, authentic Mexican food. Yeah. They don't even speak English in there. That's how you know it's good.
So if you guys want to check out what we got when we went yard sailing, so you can check out our next vlog. We're going to do a yard sale haul to show you guys what we got and how much everything was, how much we spent, the whole 9 yards.
But thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out our future vlogs. We got some fun stuff planned here. We want to take the kids to the beach tomorrow. We'll probably be vlogging that too, so that'll be out pretty soon. Yeah. And if you like our videos, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and that'll definitely help us out. We appreciate that. Hit the little bell. You'll get notifications when we do post our videos. Yeah. And thank you for joining our family on our adventures. We will see you next time.
Love you guys.
Do you want to see another video or not? Because if so,